Dear students, today we are going to discuss Hofmann-Bromamide reaction. Hofmann-Bromamide reaction means when an unsubstituted amide is treated with bromine in presence of alkali, it is converted into primary amine. This reaction is known as Hofmann-Bromamide reaction. So, amide is converted into primary amine. So, here I have given one example, RCONH2. This is the amide, unsubstituted amide in presence of bromine and KOH. It is converted into primary amine, RNH2 plus K2CO3 plus KBr plus water. So you can use here either KOH or NaOH. One example is if R is CH3, it will be acetamide. CH3CONH2 plus Br2 plus KOH gives CH3NH2. So actually it's a degradation reaction. One carbon atom will be removed from here. One carbon atom will be less in the primary amine. So here CH3NH2, K2CO3, KBr or H2O. This reaction is also known as Hofmann rearrangement reaction. Now let us see the mechanism. So in the mechanism, here we have taken RCONH2 in presence of KOH, alkali, in presence of alkali. First, this OH minus will abstract this H plus ion from the primary amine. So this electron, this bond will be broken and the electron, this hydrogen electron will be shifting towards this nitrogen atom, and this H plus will take this OH minus and it will remove as water, and this nitrogen atom acquires negative charge. So it will form RCONH minus. Then it will react with bromine Br2. So here Br, it will be actually delta plus and delta minus. So here in this bond Br2 will be broken and this electron pair will move towards this Br. So this Br will be positive and this Br will be negative. So here this nitrogen having negative charge. So this using this electron pair, this bromine atom will be bonded to this nitrogen. So it will form RCONH-Br. This RCONH-Br will react with second molecule of the alkali, potassium hydroxide. Here again this OH minus will abstract this H plus ion. It will form water. So this bond will be broken and the electron will be donated towards this nitrogen. So it will form RCON minus Br. This OH minus and this H plus, it will form water. So the product will be RCON minus Br. In the next step, this minus, this electron will move towards this carbon and this RCO bond will be broken. So this will be shifting as R minus. Actually it is a 1-2 shift. So here this bond will be broken and this R group will be moved from here as R minus ion. So R minus means this CO will be having positive charge and this positive and this negative, it will be a double bond here. So the product formed will be O double bond C double bond N Br. So here this R minus will be there. R minus is removed from here, that will be here. So in the next step, this NBr bond will be broken. So this Br will move from here as Br minus. So this Br minus and this K plus, it will form KBr here. So when this Br will remove as Br minus, this nitrogen will be having positive charge and this R minus will move towards this nitrogen. So it will be O double bond C double bond NR. The product is like this, O double bond C double bond NR. This is known as alkyl isocyanate, O double bond C double bond NR. Here you see here C double bond N double bond O. So this C carbon is having electropositive character because both these attached groups are highly electronegative groups. So this having deficient of electrons and actually it needs electrons. So that electrons will be given by the water molecule present in the reaction mixture. So this compound will be treating with this water molecule. So this lone pair of electron, using this lone pair of electron, a bond will be formed towards this carbon atom because this carbon is having delta positive character. So when this oxygen make a bond with this carbon, total bond will be 5. So that will make the carbon unstable. So the bond should be, the C double bond N bond should be broken. So this electron pair will move towards the nitrogen because nitrogen is electronegative compared to carbon. So here what will happen? Using this lone pair of electrons, this oxygen will be bonded towards this carbon. So the product will be O double bond C, here OH2 plus, because oxygen uses this lone pair of electron to make a bond with the carbon atom. So oxygen loses one lone pair, that is why here positive charge. Then this electron shifted towards the nitrogen, so it is minus R. Next step is, here you see oxygen. Oxygen is highly electronegative element. Moreover, it has a positive charge here, so it is unstable. So to make it stable, one bond should be broken because it needs electrons. So here this OH bond will be broken. This H will move from here as H plus ion, and the electron pair will be moved towards this oxygen. So the oxygen will get its lone pair back. So what will be the product? O double bond C, here OH. Then this electron means it will be, the oxygen will be neutral. So this H plus will be taken by this N minus ion. So the product will be O double bond C, here OH, then NHR. See here O double bond C, OH, NHR. So here we can see RNH is near. Actually we want to convert amide to primary amine. So one more hydrogen is needed because RNH is there. So the next step is removal of carbon dioxide because it will be entropy favored. Entropy is favored for this removal of carbon dioxide from this reaction mixture. So here what will happen? This oxygen, this OH bond will be broken. So this electron, this H will move from here as H plus ion, and that electron will give towards this oxygen. So it will form a bond with the carbon atom. So total 4 bonds will be there. So total 5 bonds will be there because here double bond, here it will be double bond, then another bond is there. So this bond will be broken and this electron will be, the bonded electron will be moved towards this nitrogen atom. So carbon will be having positive charge, this positive, and this electron, it will form a double bond here. So carbon dioxide will be eliminated from this reaction and this bond will be broken. So it will be RNH minus, then one H plus is here. So this RNH minus will take this H plus ion, it will form RNH2. So here amide is converted into primary amine. So here carbon dioxide will be removed because entropy favors this reaction. Thermodynamically, entropy favors this reaction for the elimination of carbon dioxide from this reaction mixture. So carbon dioxide will be eliminated, this bond will be broken, then RNH minus will take this H plus ion. This H plus ion will move towards this RNH minus, it will form RNH2. So dear students, I hope the mechanism is clear. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.